Hello, and a warm welcome to World This Week by latestlaws.com. This is a weekly program, so hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. I will be taking you through the significant orders and judgments passed by various courts in the country and some important international news from this week. Let's begin with the Supreme Court this week. Custodial deaths continue to raise troubling questions about police accountability, and now the Supreme Court has stepped in. Taking note of a media report that flagged 11 deaths in custody in recent months, the court has registered a Suo Motu public interest litigation over the absence of functional CCTV cameras in police stations across the country. The case arose after a newspaper highlighted gaps in surveillance systems, despite the court's repeated directions in earlier judgments. The Supreme Court agreed to hear the centre's plea seeking transfer of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act 2025, pending before different high courts. The court noted that the matter involves questions of public and constitutional importance which require authoritative adjudication to prevent conflicting rulings. The Supreme Court, while examining a presidential reference under Article 143, observed that prescribing fixed timelines for governors and the President to act on bills under Article 200 and Article 201 requires a constitutional amendment, not judicial fiat. The reference followed the court's April 2025 ruling in State of Tamil Nadu v. Governor of Tamil Nadu Amp. Under Dot, where a two-judge bench had directed the President to decide on reserved bills within 3 months. The Supreme Court clarified that in a sensitive child custody dispute, visitation rights must prioritize the emotional and mental well-being of the minor. The court intervened in a case concerning a father seeking interaction with his son, who is living with his mother in Ireland, and held that while custody cannot be disturbed at this stage, the father is entitled to regular video conferencing to maintain a meaningful relationship with the child. The court emphasized that the child's welfare and stability must remain paramount, regardless of the long-standing parental conflicts. Now, let's get an overview of the High Courts. Is asking a working wife to share household expenses cruelty? The Calcutta High Court has drawn a clear line, holding that such expectations are part of mutual responsibility in marriage and cannot be stretched into criminal charges of harassment. The case stemmed from complaints filed by a Geological Survey of India employee against her husband, also with the GSI, and his parents. She alleged that she was pressured to pay EMIs for a jointly purchased flat, compelled to buy essentials online during the COVID-19 lockdown, and mocked for her caste and social background. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has suspended the life sentence of Satlok Ashram preacher Rampal, who has been behind bars for more than 10 years following his conviction for murder. The suspension, granted during the pendency of his appeal, was allowed in view of his age, the period of incarceration already undergone, and the court's finding that certain aspects of the medical evidence remain debatable. A criminal case that once carried grave allegations took an unexpected turn before the Bombay High Court. What began as charges of rape and offences under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 ended in complete closure after the complainant revealed she had married the accused and wished to put the matter behind her. The case arose in 2023 when the complainant's mother lodged a police complaint alleging sexual assault on her minor daughter when she was 17. An FIR was registered under the provisions of Rape and the POCSO Act. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has dismissed the petitions of former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh and his son Raninder Singh, clearing the path for the Enforcement Directorate to examine documents in possession of the Income Tax Department as part of its probe into alleged hidden foreign assets. The case originates from information shared by French authorities with India in 2011 under the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. In the end, we have miscellaneous news. The Learned Court of Special Judge, CBI, Ranchi, today, i.e., 29 August 2025 convicted 10 accused, namely Anosh Ekka, Menon Ekka, Kartik Prabhat, Raj Kishore Singh, Firoz Attar, Brajesh Mishra, Anil Kumar, Manilal Mehta, Brajesh Mahato, and Parshuram Karketta in a land acquisition case in violation of the CNT Act. It was alleged in the FIR that the accused possessed disproportionate assets and dealt with land acquisition in violation of the CNT Act by way of forging addresses. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. This is a weekly program, and to get more information, please check the description box for weekly updates. Like and subscribe to our channel.